I shall not be defeated. If you defeat me, I will simply return again and again. I am immortal. I cannot be vanquished.
B, that's the...
I want you to hold on to this.
To go back to the way you were. The genie of the lamp is supposed to grant 3 wishes. Am I right?
I will never grant any wish from the likes of you.
Huh. My first wish. Bring Shara back to life.
Oh! 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 My body! My body is off!
My second wish. Return the Arabian Nights to the way they were, so that the world can have its stories again.
Oh!
My third wish. Eraser Jin, you shall live out the rest of time trapped inside your lamp as you were in days of old. Oh!
Shara, I know you're there. Please stop him. We can start over. The 2 of us. I swear it. The world is mine. I cannot be denied by that filthy rat. Why?
I told you, I'm not a rat. I'm a hedgehog. Shara, will you grant me one more wish? I wish for a mountain of handkerchiefs. Now, just let yourself cry as much as you need to. You'll have plenty of handkerchiefs to help you through it.